Hello Plantastics! In this video, we will be discussing one of the most important topics of our time, climate change. We have all heard of it and are aware of its impact on our daily lives, from rising temperatures to extreme weather events. But what exactly is climate change? How is it happening and what is its relationship with plants and biodiversity? As we know, human activity has caused a significant disturbance to global climate patterns, and it is our duty to take measures to reverse this situation. In this video, we will be focusing on the role of plants in the fight against climate change and their importance in our daily lives. If you're interested in this topic and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on plant curiosities. The climate change refers to the long-term changes in Earth's climate patterns, such as average temperatures, precipitation, and extreme weather events. In recent decades, the world has experienced an unprecedented increase in global temperature, mainly due to human activity. Burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and intensive agriculture are just some of the factors contributing to climate change. Livestock farming is one of the main causes of biodiversity loss and deforestation worldwide. The expansion of pastures and the production of food for livestock has led to soil degradation and the clearing of forests for farmland. This, in turn, has led to the loss of biodiversity, endangering the survival of many animal and plant species. These processes release greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, into the atmosphere, which increases Earth's temperature and causes changes in climate. It is important to note that climate change has a significant impact on people's lives and the environment. Therefore, it is necessary to take measures to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the effects of climate change. And this is where plants play a fundamental role. In this video, we will talk about the curiosities and benefits of plants in relation to climate change. Don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying the video and give us a like, as you help us continue creating content. Did you know that plants are essential not only for fighting climate change, but also for our daily lives? These living beings provide us with healthy and nutritious foods. It is interesting to note that several studies have shown that a 100% plant-based diet, when done correctly, can be very healthy and beneficial for our bodies. Additionally, plants provide us with medicines that help us fight diseases and maintain good health, as well as materials for construction and textile fibers for our clothing and other products. Their contribution to the economy is significant, and their role in culture and aesthetics cannot be ignored. Plants improve people's quality of life by providing green spaces for relaxation and leisure, and by beautifying our environment. Did you know that plants are capable of absorbing and storing large amounts of carbon dioxide, one of the main greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change? Plants play a critical role in reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere through a process called photosynthesis. During this process, plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air and use it to produce oxygen and organic compounds that they use as food. In fact, according to some estimates, plants are responsible for removing about 1/3 of the carbon dioxide emitted by human activities. Did you know that plants can also help reduce temperatures in cities and other urban environments through the process of transpiration and the shade they provide? The process of transpiration of plants, in which they release water vapor through their leaves, can cool the surrounding air. Additionally, plants provide shade, which can reduce the temperature of buildings and surrounding surfaces. Therefore, urban green areas, such as parks and gardens, can play an important role in combating the urban heat island effect and reducing the impact of climate change. Did you know that plant biodiversity is essential for maintaining a healthy and climate-resilient ecosystem, as different plant species can adapt to different climatic conditions and protect each other? The diversity of plants benefits the living beings that depend on them, such as pollinating insects and herbivorous animals, who find a variety of food and shelter in plant-rich ecosystems. The loss of plant biodiversity can have a negative impact on the health and stability of ecosystems, which in turn can affect humanity. Did you know that plants can also help prevent soil erosion and protect coastal areas from erosion caused by storms and sea level rise? Plants are capable of retaining soil and protecting it from erosion caused by wind and rain. In addition, plant roots can anchor soil, reducing the amount of sediment deposited in waterways and bodies of water. Coastal areas can also be protected by plants, as the roots of coastal species can keep soil in place and reduce erosion caused by storms and rising sea levels. Did you know that some plants, such as hyperaccumulator plants, have the ability to absorb heavy metals and other pollutants from soil and water? This means that these plants can help clean and decontaminate the environment. Some of these plants are even used in phytoremediation, a process that uses plants to treat and remove contaminants from soil and water. The ability of plants to absorb pollutants from the environment makes them an important resource for decontamination and conservation of environmental health. However, many plants are endangered due to the loss of natural habitats, pollution, and climate change. That's why it's essential to protect and conserve these species, not only for their benefits to us but also for their importance in ecosystems and biodiversity in general. Plant conservation is an important effort to ensure a sustainable and healthy future for all. How can we protect our forests, plants, and biodiversity? One way to protect forests is through tree planting and reforestation techniques. An innovative method is the Miyawaki method, developed by Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki. This method involves planting different species of native trees in a small and dense area, creating a native forest that grows quickly and has high biodiversity. This method has been used worldwide and has proven to be very effective in restoring deforested and degraded areas. Another important procedure for protecting plants and forests is through biodiversity conservation. This includes protecting natural areas, reducing logging, and promoting sustainable practices in agriculture and forestry. Fighting deforestation is also key to protecting forests and plants. Deforestation is one of the main causes of biodiversity loss and contributes significantly to climate change. This includes avoiding illegal logging, reducing our consumption of wood and paper products, and promoting sustainable practices in our daily lives. It's also important to choose products with sustainability certifications, such as FSC certification for wood, to encourage sustainable practices in the industry. Education and public awareness are crucial for protecting plants and forests. We must understand the importance of biodiversity and the ecosystem services that forests provide, and work together to protect and promote their recovery. In addition to the practices mentioned above, each individual has a responsibility to reduce their environmental impact through their consumption. An important way to do this is by choosing a more sustainable and plant-based diet, reducing the consumption of meat and other animal products. By doing so, personal carbon footprint is reduced, as meat and dairy production have a large carbon footprint and contribute significantly to climate change. A plant-based diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, can help reduce pressure on natural resources and contribute to the conservation of forests and ecosystems. Reducing the demand for animal products reduces the need for land dedicated to animal agriculture, which can in turn help preserve forests and natural ecosystems. These and other practices can help protect the planet. Small individual actions can have a large collective impact on protecting plants and forests. Thanks Plantastics for joining us today to explore the mysteries of our green planet. Remember, we all have a role to play in protecting our environment and ensuring a sustainable future. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's continue to learn and discover together.